So I'm staying here for the second night because this is a good place. It's a flat area, there is water and enough wood for the campfire. I will start tomorrow very early, go to Grong, an ending place where I will take down the kayak catamaran. I've been out with the pack raft today, a little bit paddling, and I'm gonna build up the catamaran again at Lofoten. I hope if the weather is good. That will be something, nice view. But this was also nice. Hope for some dry weather tomorrow.